Hello, welcome to the channel. East Florida Explorer here, and today I'm at the River Bend Nature Park. Awesome little park here in Ormond Beach, Florida. Mountain biking trails, hiking trails, a playground, little fishing docks. Join me, take us on a little adventure today. And this park is right along the Tomoka River, which is right down at the bottom of this hill when you first park and walk up. And there's nice picnic tables and little barbecue grills, nice playground over there. It's a really nice park. And I think I'll walk right down to the first thing I see here, which is a little area. Oh, mountain biker. But this little dock here, it goes down to the little Tomoka River. Wow, look at this. Pretty steep. Down to the Tomoka River. We'll walk back up. And caution, because it's a multi-use path here. There's a lot of mountain bikers cruising around. Here's the entrance here to the mountain bike trail. Watch out for gators. And I was looking on Google Maps, and I believe this mountain bike trail is pretty long. Goes pretty far. Cool. Big chunk of coquina rock right in the ground. You can hear those blue jays screaming. Wow, he's loud. Pretty cool. Blue jays. Awesome birds. I'm definitely gonna have to bring my bike back and ride this. I feel kind of foolish walking it, just hiking, when it looks really fun to ride. Coming up on some cool areas here. Look at this hill they built. You can go around it the safe way or hit it. I'd definitely be hitting it. Looks like a pretty cool jump. Yeah, buddy. Oh, some more little areas. And it's really up and down hill, like hilly here too. It's all hard packed shell dirt. Another jump here. Kind of like a kicker roller. Up and down. And then way back up the hill again. I might not hike the whole thing today, just checking it out. I've always wanted to stop here and see what this place was about. And then I read on Facebook, somebody said it was a really good place for like hiking or walking the dog and stuff. And it is, it's really nice. Great place. Aha, the arrow says this way, but there's a trail in the middle. I'm gonna cut through the middle. Oh, a bridge. Where's that, like a lookout pavilion? What is this? Huh. Maybe it's kind of like a resting spot here. Wow, it's just kind of like a wooden pavilion, like a deck. Like they meant to build it to keep going, but they didn't. Cool spot though. You could stop and take a break. And then it drops way down the hill, which the Tomoka River is right out there. So this drops way down the hill to it. Two ways to go. That way, this way. This way looks more interesting to me. More of a natural way. And I'm back. Turned the camera off. I saw something down the hill. Lots of bottles. But this isn't a dump digging video. We're looking at nature today for a hike. But I always do run into old dumps this way. Just hiking places like this, preserves. Wow, look at this. This kind of looks like a, oh, it's huge, there's big ones. If you could see them, it's like a queen palm. Doesn't belong here in this part of Florida. It's like Miami style palm trees. So how did that get out here? That's a very expensive palm tree too. Wow, this is a really cool place. And what's also really fascinating, everywhere there's a tree turned up or down on the slopes, oyster shells everywhere. So you could tell long ago this was probably Indian land, especially right on the Tomoka River too. They love that beautiful river. But oyster shells everywhere. And then once again, the trail splits. One there, one there. We'll just keep going this way. Down here on the closest part to the river. Definitely looks and feels like old Florida in here. Good old Florida. Although you can hear the busy road not too far away. Looks like I'm coming back to where I went down on that little fishing spot there, the old dock. So I'm right along the river now. Beautiful area. And nobody really here. Just a beautiful spot to go get lost. The Florida wilderness. Look at this. Oh, I scared him away. There's a squirrel sitting there enjoying a mushroom, and another squirrel over there. I thought that was a snake. If you heard the leaves scatter, sounded like a snake. And that I haven't seen many snakes lately. This strange. Last year I saw a lot of snakes, a lot of pygmy rattlers. This year, not anything yet, just squirrels. So from that spot I walked down first, and I just came from the trail behind me. So I'm gonna go down this trail that I haven't gone down yet. Kind of hugs along the river as well, like the other side. Just beautiful views here on a really nice hike. Going down deep now to a little bit of a swampier area. That's cool. A little natural small beach down there. Caution. Pedestrian crossing. Oh, so here's the people hiking trail. I'm gonna jump on that because I've been on the mountain bike trail. I'm gonna get on this. This one's a little wider. Oh, cool. Oh, look at that. It's a secret little trail down to the water. Not too secret, but cool. Check this spot out. And you gotta watch out on this river too. The Tomoka River has lots of alligators. They love that sawgrass, or that not grass, but the grassy part on the banks. Not much of that on this side. Well, slightly when you get down close to the water there is, but on the other side it's all grass. Strange, there's three little, looks like wooden posts sticking out of the river on that side over there. Never know what it could have been at one time. Well, I'm making it right back out to the parking lot once again. Woo! Just took a couple of the small trails, but there are a lot more longer trails here. I'll have to come back and do it again. I definitely want to bring the bike back and actually do it the right way and cruise all along these cool trails here. Thanks for joining me here at the River Bend Nature Park in Ormond Beach, Florida. I'll see you guys next time.